Oh, this looks pretty interesting. It's weird because normally I expect them to just have one big long lift hill, but it doesn't. I don't know how high or how long it is at all. I've no research on this whatsoever. Only found it when I'd landed in Turin Airport. So big old ski slope over there. It's actually really nice here. All the mountains and everything. Whoa, this is a big lift hill. Oh, hang on, it's not too bad. Oh, it keeps going. Whoa, here we go. Wow, we just keep going. Yeah, they basically said there's not really rules, just obviously don't hit anyone and don't stop. Which, yeah, basically don't stop at all unless there's someone in front of you. Which obviously you should stop. Yeah, so you push these things at the side down and then pull up to brake. Ow, that's quite forceful. Keep distance. I think there's barely anyone on it. I don't think there's any others on the track, so we should be able to go full send. And yeah, here we go. Quite a long way up. I'll just test so I know when it'll sort of stop. No, won't stop. What am I doing then? Because if I do... Oh, yeah, right. There we are. Well, that's how it stops. Now let's get going. See if I can sort of rest my leg on it. Oh, there we are. Oh, this looks quite steep. A tension curve. Nah, that's right, we don't care about slowing down. Whoa! Oh, it's got some whip to it. Another curve. Whoa, this is... Wow, that's quite quick. Nice little S-bend. Whoa! That is very fast. I'm getting airtime. Oh, got a big old helix here. Whoa! That picked up a lot of speed. Whoa! Ah! End of track. Yeah, it's quite... I don't know. I've not done many, but it's a good enough length.